Hey everyone, nice to meet you. I'm Anthony, and I would like to introduce myself. I was born and raised in the US, but I live in Japan right now. I moved to Japan in 2017, and I've been living here for about 4 years. I live in a nice city called Kawasaki. I like the city because it isn't so crowded, and it's also close to Tokyo. I can get to Tokyo in about 20 minutes by train. I think Kawasaki is a very convenient place to live in. One of my favorite things about Japan is the food. It tastes really good and it's also healthy. Portion sizes here are also much smaller than portion sizes in America. That's why when I came to Japan, I lost a lot of weight. I lost about 10 pounds in 3 months. That's about 5 kilos. Next, I would like to talk about my hobbies. I have many hobbies. For example, I like reading, studying Japanese, playing video games, and exercise. I think my favorite hobby is exercise. I like it a lot because it makes me feel really good. For exercise, I go running. I run about 4 to 5 days a week. It depends on the day, but I usually run about 7 kilometers each time. In the future, I hope to be able to run longer distances. Anyway, thanks for listening. I hope doing this activity helped your English skills. Have a nice day.